Go on. Big up the whole Facebook. Big up the whole Facebook. Big up the whole YouTube channel. You see me? Don't know, say a long time me not come live. But we have some serious matter to talk about. You see me? Some look thing over here I go on and see what I go on to, cause you don't know some of the things them you hear and some of the things them you see, and which is the one them we see and not lie, cause camera see and the camera video. And you don't know if people using phone, some people use camera, people use all type of thing, device and tablet, and you don't know do they look at video. You know we still will look at serious issue we want to deal with. You see me? But I want to ask one question. What make the man them now a Jamaica just a kill off them each other? What make the man them a shoot off them each other like bird? Brother, them thing they not work, brother. Me no like them life that I go on a yard. A full time for wise up and looking at ourselves and looking at our life, brother. We are big man now, we are big people, you see me? A time look in ourselves and look in our life. Brother, me I go tell you this. You see this bag of gun thing on pick up, brother? That not go nowhere. That not carry go nowhere in life. Couple place alone that gun thing will bring on a youth. Me tell you this. You see me? Cause no man alone a boss gun and a woman a clap it up hard too. You see me? Big man thing. A real thing, man. This is not fun, this is not a joke. You see me? So here I go on now. Big man thing. This gun yeah. Wanna bust up. And a fire. And a fire for people. This gun thing yeah. We take you prison, jail, and cemetery. None more none more, nowhere else that gun thing I go take you. And you just want to waste in the soul, youth. Just want to waste in the soul. A straight island gone. You see me? It don't make no sense when you get up do this bag of violence, killing, talk about brag who kill the most people, who show the most people, who dangerous and who wicked and who you. Them life and not gonna away youth. Brother, I'm telling you this straight up. America uno for there right now, brother. America, yes, uno for there. And make some US dollar. You see me? Save some money and send some money go to Jamaica and build up some big house, brother, and live on the life youth. Me I tell you no. America rough, you know. But me I tell you say, life there only can live and make it, you see me? Although we have a whole heap of bag of bills and thing, matter of fact, that's not the issue we are talking about. The issue we are talking about now are the bag of shooting and the bag of killing, you see me? Them things they not right and them things they not make sense nowadays, you see me? Them life they not gonna away, brother. Brother, the life we want, brother. I work hard, save money, you see me? Build a house, control some business, run some serious business, you see me? And go and live life, you see me? Have a whole heap of opportunity, you see me? Do vacation and fly, go everywhere, anywhere in the world you want to fly, go on a car, fly, anything you want to buy on a car, buy. That's how we settle life and our foundation, brother. Even if you can't turn a millionaire, brother, we want to have either a local business or have money where we are turn over what we can live off our own and you see me and stay stable in our life and have a head for our body and not waste some money, you see me? Them things they not gonna brother. See me? And the next thing to brother on the car, drink liquor and them thing the dog. But now if you drink, can I take the liquor thing to hard, brother, and I mash up on the inside down system and them thing, you see me? You see me? And on a big man level dog, the Chinese them and whatever come and Jamaica to brother. We love what them a do, like them a build the road and them thing, but at the same time, them a kill off brother. I don't know if the people them a Jamaica now realize say yo the Chinese people them a kill off the Jamaican people them. Cause them want to take over our country, cause here it's our country Jamaica. Our land where me a tell you say yo. Our land where me a tell you say brother, Jamaica is a goal. Pan a big man level, Jamaica is a goal. You see me? Jamaica is a goal and everybody a fight for it. Them not physically fight, you know, you can tell. Them just running from Jamaica for come kill all the Jamaican people, them kill all the black nation for. Only should do good. You see me? Only like you want come hurt my Jamaican. No fear try hurt my Jamaican people, them Chinese guys. Una move like una just want to take over the whole Jamaica. Brother, our land, our place. We want the Jamaican people looking at themselves and see what going on. You see me? Down here, you see me? Because we can't have these Chinese guys them running and I take over and I try. Them a play a local game, I kill you local by local. You see me? Them things that make no sense, you see me? A life we are dealing with a positive thing, man, you see me? See? All the local girl with them take her, what do you know? This is not specific nobody, because we don't know who do it at Jamaica. I'm a Jamaica, nobody don't know who, me don't know who. You see me? It's a video I watch too. You see me? The girl miss the girl not find her now, you see me? So, all the hope she's alive though, you see me? I'm going to mind the family them find her back. I know what the family I go through, the mother I go through, the father I go through, the sister, the cousin, everybody, auntie, everybody I go through, grandma, grandfather, great this art. You know? On just bring back the local girl, man, I made the local girl live, man. Cause we're tired of the bag of killing and them thing. You see me? Them thing they don't make no sense, man. You see me? Wise up Jamaica, wise up. I know everybody at Jamaica, you know. A killer and murder right now. I know everybody. But we want everybody wise up and live life and make money and buy house and buy car and do vacation and do whole heap of tour and know different country. Brother, them life that we fear think. And them thing there, them men that we fear all. You see me? Experience different country. Experience the ship all a go around on a nice cruise. You see me? Experience the water, the sea. Experience different island. Different everything. You see me? Different food. You see me? Different clothes. You see me? Take all a world tour and stop on that when you stop on a Nigeria, grab all two Nigeria bad suit and two bad pants and you see me? You stop at Panama, you get a Panama bad shirt and you see me? Jump back for your ship and the ship gone our next country, you see me? Brother, them thing you fear praying and live life happy. This bag of shooting of people and this killer and this cut off head and cut choke and dash your body over this and bury and brother. Let me tell you this. You see this gun thing, yeah? I'm not telling you, I'm just telling you about me never telling you everything. Brother, when we see this gun thing here though, it just kill off black people. Because when me really notice, black man and black man stop shoot off them one another like bird. I don't know for, but it's no reason for kill off each other like we are bird and I kill each other. Them thing that I make no sense. The gun take you go jail. The gun take you go prison. The gun take you go cemetery. And next thing to it, remember, say anytime you start killing, you becomes wanted. You become knowing now by the police and be wanted by the police. And if you don't turn in yourself, the police them go want to kill you. And me no want them killing you, brother. That's why we no want a badness. And them go wipe out you know. And you see, if the police them don't wipe out you know, a gunman I go wipe out and the next gunman I go murder next gunman and the next man I go murder next man and it just continue. Brother, we don't want that. We're tired of the tears. We're tired of the crying. We're tired of the bawling. We're tired of the suffering. Yo, I'm going to show you how suffering get involved in my conversation and my words and my argument when they are telling you now. So, big man thing now. If the man them a shoot off them one another like bird and a breed up the girl them. And when the woman them, me not style nobody else girl. I apologize for that one. When they breed up the girls them, you see me, and breed up the nice ladies them and the big woman them and thing. And the man them a go there now and a rob a night time and die. You see me? That's how me I tell you about suffering now. Shoot off a gunman, shoot out a man dead. And next man dead. And when the man dead, him dead left him youth. And left the youth to suffer. You see it? That's how suffering now gonna stop. if big man thing, if we stop shoot off each other and grow as a team, grow as one Jamaican people, grow as one strong, if we grow as one strong people, big man thing, people and people, make a wise enough, if we grow as one, you know how powerful black people can be? Black people can be very powerful on the face upon this earth, yeah. Black people will be the strongest and the powerfulest people because we're smart and we're intelligent. You see me? If you don't realize, Jamaican people, if you don't realize, every country love Jamaica. China. I see a China. Although many of them have, but I see a China, man. Which is we see that all the time, a lot at Jamaica. A China man a play as a selector. I mean, I tell you, so the man a deal with it like a Jamaican, and the man a play back a tune. The man just come and love Jamaican culture and take it up serious in hand. Listen how next selector play and take it up in hand. You see me? Me ask the Spice, I do a look at thing. Go and look at Island and them advertise Bumbleclad as a party. A full time for Jamaica. Why is so? You not see that? You not see how you're the richest we will be the richest country in the world. I think I do why Jamaica. And we will be the powerfulest people. Remember that much as the country small, much as Jamaica small, and we will be the powerfulest people. You see me? Big man thing, you see me? And them thing the way I talk about. You see me? Anyway, it's just a small message we are left for doing still. On like, share, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel too. You don't know my YouTube channel, a real star. And big up the positive people them out there. Big up the people them not dealing with violence. I hope the you them take me look a small message and wise up. You see me? And make live better in a life. And do what's right. Low the negative and the violence thing. Cause them think they not bring me go now. You see me? Love, unite, we could be strong. Jamaica land, be powerful. I'm out. I love you all, guys. Love you, Jamaican guys. We all one.